And that is just hilarious. Hey, we're having a lot of fun looking back on the last 12 years of today's Homeowner. And this is our 300th episode. Now, we've shown you how everything works behind the scenes when we're out on projects and doing all of the taping. But here's where the magic really takes place, in the edit suite with Mike Richardson. Now, Mike, over the last week, you've been looking back at all kinds of shows to pull a few clips here and there. Have you noticed any changes over the years?
Just a few. And you can see some right here.
Oh, that doesn't look too different than it does now.
No, it's not different except for the hair, the clothes, the weight, the age.
Okay.
And I don't know why this guy is so mad what you've done to the cabinet guy to make him so mad at you.
No, he does look pretty mad. Well, what about some of the clips now? You know, what's rare about this situation, I guess you'll agree, is we have almost no bloopers. Hey, if you're doing a bathroom renovation or any kind of renovation to your house, don't be afraid to let it stop tape.
Ain't that floor sand colored? Oh.
That Chris and Molly Broders told me. Now, these owners had a very old. One of the things I like about the layout of today's edition. Now, this house is less than a block away from that house. Plus, it's nice having some of those energy dollars bounce right back into your pocket.
Yay! Just get rid of it.
Now, you can tell there's a big leg here. You can imagine
What was that you tripped over there, Daniel?
Plus, we always have a little bit of fun along the way. Yeah, here, go on, demonstrate that.
See, here's how you do it. You're flipping it to yourself, but you're not here, you're over there.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah. Okay, you got it now. I was spinning out of control.
gas burning appliance.
I don't think I've ever done anything like this before.
That's almost as bad as taping something to the mouth. Cabinets, floors.
And the purpose of this week's...
What's the matter, Joe?
What am I saying?
Before the show's over, I guarantee you, we'll give you some money. We'll give you some money. But when we do get it right, it's cause for celebration.
I like that.
You can feel at home.